Automated trading tutorial, Bitsgap. In this video, I will tell you in detail how the bot works, the various trading techniques offered by Bitsgap, explain the price plans and what comes with each. Let's get started. How does automated trading operate? When you use a computer that trades on your behalf, you might see a bot that trades your whole portfolio back and forth as a single lump sum between the highs and lows. That is partially right, but not totally. The bot does trade on your behalf, algorithmically selling in high points and purchasing at low points, but only in small increments. This morning we are trading SHIB USD. As you can see, there is a grid of green and red lines. The bot buys a predetermined amount when the asset price strikes through the green bars. When the asset price hits the red line, it sells a small amount. Create and configure your bot. When you go to Bitsgap to set up your strategy, the order form will ask you for the following information. Your conversation. You can connect more than one, which is very cool. Your chosen trade pair. The entire amount of your investment. How many grid levels do you want? How far apart do you want each line to be? Where do you want your discounted pricing to appear? And where do you want your high cost to end? Examine your forecast. After you have investigated the bot parameters and found a setup that works for you and your budget, you can even backtest, which utilizes historical data from the previous 30 days to forecast how the trading pair will perform with your chosen settings. Remember that previous performance does not guarantee that the same will occur in the future. It's not a given, it's a prediction. They do something similar with the weather. These predictions are based on a completely different set of measurements and price moments. Bitsgap bot strategies. This happens before you fill out the order form for the bot. Still, I wanted you to understand how the bot works fundamentally before diving into many accessible techniques. Bitsgap's bot supports 3 alternative trading methods, each with a slightly different algorithm based on market conditions and what you predict will happen in the market. The screenshot below is provided for your convenience. I'll tell you that it takes trial and error to see how they function in different market circumstances with other currencies. The S-bot should generally be used whenever the market is sideways, slightly stagnant, or even decreasing. If the demand is rising, the traditional bot is your best choice. Number 1. S-bot. Regardless of market conditions, the S-bot is programmed to amass more of the asset you choose to trade with. It does this by dozens, if not hundreds of microtransactions between the tops and bottoms. I've seen my balance rise in the past when the price of a coin declined in the near term. It seemed to me to be far more efficient than simply holding your coin and watching your entire portfolio decreased by 40% because you went to lunch or had to be at work and could not sell in time. Number 2. Traditional bot. The traditional bot is the trading method if you believe the price will climb shortly or even over a few weeks or month. If configured to a sideways coin or dropping over time, this bot would not perform as well as the spot. It will, however, function better if the rise is constant and regular. Number 3. The combo bot. I've never used this bot and it's only accessible on higher tiered Bitsgap subscriptions. This is a futures bot that additionally employs dollar cost averaging in conjunction with typical grid methods. Use the demo account to practice. You may also use Bitsgap to transform your account into a demo account with fake money to practice before leveraging your actual cash or cryptocurrency. Pricing. Bitsgap has 3 membership tiers, each with a separate fee and features that I will let you explore on your own if you're interested. $29 a month for the basic package, which includes 2 active trading bots. Advanced, $69 per month includes up to 5 active trading bots, and $149 per month for Pro, up to 20 active trading bots. One of my justifications for investors having access to an automated trading method is that cryptocurrency is highly volatile and constantly challenging to time precisely for maximum profits. Another explanation was that computers do not work the same as humans and respond differently and without emotion. That is one of the bot's most valuable functions. There is no emotion involved at all. If I was day trading for a quick profit and a red candlestick appeared on the 5 or 15-minute view, I could get scared of a price collapse and leave my position. You may invest confidently since the system will purchase at the best current prices and sell at the most excellent price shortly. Instead of staking your entire portfolio on a single hand transaction, you get several micro wins. That's what amateurs do, and they fail virtually every time. Be not one of them. It is not a set it and forget it method, and you'll need to check in on the performance of your parameters and modify and adapt as needed. Be a champion. Develop a plan and supplement it with automatic trading to do more of what you enjoy while trading smarter. Are crypto trading bots effective? In a nutshell, yes. For decades, the financial industry has made record profits by employing automated trading tactics. In reality, over the last decade, algorithmic trading bots have dominated the entire financial industry, with algorithms now accounting for the majority of Wall Street trading activity. So the question isn't whether they function, but how well they work. And their efficacy is heavily influenced by a variety of factors, including the platform and bots you select, as well as your level of competence and experience. Thanks for your time. Please give this video a thumbs up.